Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 5, Lesson 8B, ordering. In the first lesson, we learned how to compare, and today we're going to order them. So let's get them all into percentages. So we've got 48%. My pen. 48%. 9/20. Let's make that 9 over 20. If I times it by 5, I can get it to 100. So this would be 18. Oh, nope, not 18. I don't know why I said 18. Got to multiply it by 5. This would be 45 over 100. So 45%. Then we move the decimal 1, 2. We get 42.5%. And 11 over 25, we can multiply it by 4. And we'll get 100. And we'll get 44%. Okay? Get 44%. Now, they said to put it in order from greatest or from least to greatest. So our smallest would be the 0.425. That gives the 42.5%. The next one would be the 11 over 25, because that gave me 44%. Then we'd put the 9/20ths next, as that gave us 45%. And then 48% would be last. Good job. Let's try another one. Here we have 130%. Moving the decimal over 1, 2, we get 175%. If I do 4 divided by 3, I get 1. That gives me 10. That gives me 3 goes in there, 9. So it's going to give me 1 point. So if I move the decimal over, it's going to give me the 2 positions. It's going to give me 133%. And 7 divided by 5. 5 goes in 1. Gives me, Oakley's having a day. Minus 5 gives me 2. That's going to go in there 4 times. A bit here. There's zeros behind it, so 1, 2. That would give me 140%. All right, so which is the first? Well, our smallest would be the 130%, right? So let's put it there. Now remember, when we're putting these in order, we have to start with their original, what they originally started out with. So the next one would be 133, which is the 4/3. Then we would go to 140, which we got by doing the 7/5. And last would be the 1.75 that got us at 175%. All right. I want you to do number 11. You don't have to do number 12, but again, this is one of those ones. If you want to do number 12, you can always do it and then come check with me at my table to get it right. But 11, let's work on this one. Go ahead and pause the video, then come back and see if you got it correct. All right, so we have 9%. 5 divided by 6 goes in there. 8 times 48. Give me 2. Bring down another 0, be 3. Okay, so we can move it about 83%. We don't have to go any further because we need to know it's about that. Then we got 1, 2, right? So that would be 8.5%. And then 17 over 20, we can change it into 100 by multiplying it by 5. 5 times 7 is 35, carry the 3, times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 85, so this would be 85%. And one in our greatest, so our greatest, and I'm going to put it over here in this area, our greatest would be the 17/20, because it got us to 85%. So I'm going to say 17 over 20 first. Next one would be the 83%, which is the 5/6. Then I would have 9% would be bigger than 8.5, so 9%. And last would be the 0.085. All right. You are done with Unit 5, Lesson 8B. If you choose to do number 12, go ahead and work on it and then bring it over to me at my table and we'll go over it together. If not, I will see you back here after you finish your pathway and class craft for our Unit 5 review. Great job.